we're going to beg for fruit, then giving them the next thing they want. I mean, not they want, but we're going to give them when we're going to return them. Like if they give me some fruit or one fruit or plant, I will reward them. I will reward them to cut my fruit. Like I'm rich, but to cut my money, bro. I'm super. So that's let's see. Okay, we're going to a new server, so we cannot disturb other players. Okay, let's go. Okay, so guys, as we know, I forgot what to say now. We're going on servers. Going here. Load more. Okay. Load more.
Bakit?
Si mama sabi, okay, brother, there's full. Seriously, all of this is full. Seriously, bro? Are you serious? Are you? What the heck? 7 of 6. That's max. Seriously, bro? That is so hacking bad, bro. Okay. Okay, we're joining in a new server. Okay, the story. Okay, this is a new server, so let me beg and then let me beg first time and then what they are later. Oh, this is kind of so hard. Oh, can I have some fruit? Some hi. Okay. Ten, nine. We'll pick nine. We'll pick nine, guys. Comment down below what to play next, guys. Because I'm playing this for content. So my wish is to be a content creator. I don't really have a Roblox. I'm like Fulton. Yes, I'm a Fulton fan. I'm like Fulton, but I'm Fulton, but forgot to what I Fulton, but it grow the garden. What is this is a rich server, bro. This is a rich server, bro. Serious, normal server, bro. A server. Grow offline. Okay, let's join. Waiting for an available server. Joining server. Okay, let's go, guys. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, check out my Bro, I joined Ohio again, bro. Because why am I joining Ohio? Ohio. Let me see if there's an available. What the heck, bro? Every server is max, bruh. How? 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 This is my private server, by the way. This is my friend who literally became rich because of me, of course. Yes, I gave him so much fruit. Okay, do I join this, guys? Nah, Ohio's in here. Camilla, Shakira, that's two? No. Wow. New server. New server, please, new server. New server, come on. New server. Let me see. Ohio again! What the frick, bro? Everyone is reaching here, bro. What the heck, bro? So, see you tomorrow, guys. So, see you tomorrow. I'll replay this tomorrow so you guys can watch me do it again. So, see you guys. What should I play next? Guys, what should I play next? Um, Blocks Fruit or Dead Rails? Hey, you can join me, by the way. Well, my name, my name, my username is Moltong123. You can join me, by the way. I will. I don't think I will. I think I will go live. What do you think, guys? I'll live in TikTok. Comment down below if I'll live in TikTok. I, um, do you think I might go live in TikTok or no? If no, I will not live. If yes, I will go live. So guys, comment down below what I play. Block or I don't know, block or Dead. Just pick, guys. Okay, see you in the next video and peace.